to make healthy choices when traveling. This is a big one because we all know when we're on the go, we just grab whatever we can, and most of it's crap, and we pay a fortune for it. It's ridiculous. Look at the prices of some foods at airports. So, 3 tips here. Prep your food before a trip, be it car or flight. Bring some of your favorite snacks that you actually feel healthy by eating. So meal prep, that's a massive one. 2, check your final destination to make sure that they have decent sort of restaurants of the food that you choose to eat that's close by, or markets or shopping centers or whatever, or supermarkets that's close. So that way you can just go and buy what you normally have at home if you've got a set sort of meal routine, and you can just go and carry on as you normally do. And number 1, just choose to stay healthy. If you're traveling with people who are just eating garbage, don't fall into the pressure of, oh, well, I'll get what they're getting. You've got to be mindful of just how you want to feel. And you usually know how you feel when you eat crap. We all do. We feel like shit. And we go, why do I have that for? So again, it's all about being mindful, making good choices. Hope that helps.